Okay, very good morning, everyone. So, yesterday we have discussed something about the miscellaneous exercise of chapter number 8. Especially in today's class, we will look some word problems related to the multiplication, addition, or subtractions of money. So, based on this chapter, whatever the word problems we have, we will specially discuss those word problems in today's class. So, the word problem related to the chapter money. Okay, word problems on money. So, if we talk about the word problems, it started from the chapter exercise 8.4, or some of the word problems are there in 8.3 also. So, 8.34 we have discussed, even 5 also we have discussed. Still, we will discuss here the mixed problem. I mean, I will not going to tell that which operations will be used here, either addition, subtractions or multiplications. कौन सा ऑपरेशंस यहाँ पे यूज होगा, एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन या मल्टीप्लिकेशन, ये हम बताएंगे नहीं. सो इस तरह से हम लोग मिक्स वर्ड प्रॉब्लम जो कुछ होगा वो हम लोग देखेंगे. तो सबसे पहले जो क्वेश्चंस हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे, दैट क्वेश्चन इज द प्राइस ऑफ ए, or that we have discussed already. So I am taking another question. A toy gun, जो खिलौना होता है, बंदूक जिससे हम लोग खेलते हैं बचपन में, वो खिलौना का जो कॉस्ट है वो दिया हुआ है. सो कॉस्ट ₹20.75. So 20.75 means ₹20 and 75 paise is the cost of one gun toy. So here you have to find the cost of. So you have to find the cost of how many? 10 such toy gun. So 10 such toy guns. सो एक टॉय गन का प्राइस दिए हुए हैं ₹20.75. आपको निकालना है 10 का. तो क्या कर सकते हैं? डेफिनेटली हम लोग इसको एडिशन से भी निकाल सकते हैं, बट इट विल बी अ लॉन्ग रिपीटेड एडिशन, and for repeated addition we used to do the multiplication only. So if here this process is also known as the unitary method, when the cost of one thing is given and you are supposed to find out the cost of many, then we just simply used to multiply with that. So whenever you multiply any number by 10, just one zero will be added after that. So here if we do the solution, so we can do like this: the cost of one toy gun is equal to ₹20 and 75 or 75 paise, and therefore the cost of 10 such toy guns will become ₹20.75 multiply 10. So if you multiply this, then just one zero will be added after this, or you can just do the multiplication here also. So suppose I am doing the multiplication here. So 20.75, if you are multiplying by 10, so how it will be? So it will become 20750, and before 2 digit we have to put the decimal. So before 2 digit means here the decimal will become. So 207.50 will be the required answer. So here the answer will be ₹207 decimal 50. That means 207 rupees 50 paise. So this is the question number 3 of exercise 8.5. So 8.5 exercise question number 3 you can do like this very simply. इस तरह से हम लोग मल्टीप्लीकेशन करके निकाल सकते हैं, राइट. सो इसके अलावा और कोई ऐसा क्वेश्चन है अगर इस एक्सरसाइज में तो आप बता सकते हो. 207.50. यस, जिनका भी आंसर 207.50 है, they all are correct. Very nice. Now what about the question, another question, if suppose I am asking, which we have is the question number 4. So let us do the next question which we have related to the what problem related to the money. Sometime we all need to try some another additional questions also which we don't have in our book even. So you can just change the values whatever it is there and you can try with some new values also with all the word problems whatever it is there. Okay. So question number 4 if we talk. So in 4 it is asking the price of an electric bulb is. Show the price of an electric bulb. So what is the price of an electric bulb is rupees 12.50. So 12 rupees and 50 paise, right? So now it is asking to find the price of or find the cost of 8 such bulbs. So here also very simply you can see the cost or price of one electric bulb is given this much. So what will be the price of or cost of 8 such electric bulbs? We'll use the same method, same unitary method. The price of one thing is that, so price of 8 will be that multiply 8. So let us see how much will be the answer. Here we have to write like this. No, don't do any word problem directly, just as like the rough work. Some of the students used to do as like the rough work. So वर्ड प्रॉब्लम को रफ वर्क की तरफ से हम लोग नहीं बनाएंगे, रफ वर्क हम लोग बनाएंगे दैट विच शुड बी इन द राइट हैंड साइड ऑफ योर कॉपी, बट यू हैव टू राइट समथिंग इन वर्ड्स आल्सो इन वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स. तो वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स का जब भी बात आता है आपको कुछ कुछ चीजें वर्ड में भी लिखने होते हैं एज लाइक दिस, यहाँ पे जैसे दिखाया गया है, ठीक है. सो हियर इट इज गिवन the price of one bulb. It is given rupees 12.50 means 12 rupees 50 paise. So therefore the price of how many bulbs? 8. So 8 bulbs will be equal to rupees 12.50 multiply 8. So very simply we will multiply this. So let us check by multiplying how much will be the answer. So 12.50 multiply 8. Okay. So 800, 5 8 are 40. So 0. So 4 carry, right? So 8 2 are 16. 16 plus 4 is 20. So 0 again 2 carry. Okay, so 8 1 are 8 plus 2 is 10. So 10, and before 2-digit decimal is there, so we'll put before 2-digit decimal. So 100 is coming, right? So the cost of 8 bulbs will be rupees 100. Rupees 100. So very simply, this is how this rough work you will do in right hand side. I don't have space, so that is why I have done here. So the price of 8 such bulb will be simply 100 rupees, right? So this is how you can do the problems related to the multiplication. So multiplication of money, these two questions are based on. Okay, now let us see some more questions. As like in ME, we have some of the questions, so let us do some questions from there. One question is in question number 5, ME. Question number up to 4 we have discussed in yesterday's class. So question number 5 is all about Mohan bought a toy. So Mohan is a person, he is bringing a toy. So he bought a toy for rupees 65.50. So the cost of one toy is 65.50. So very simply, okay, another he is also bringing. So and a ball of rupees 22.50. So one of the toy he is bringing, another is ball he is bringing. So these are the two things he is bringing. So how much money did he spend? So very simply you have to tell how much money did he spend. So very simply what you will do in this, check it out and quickly tell me the answer in message. जल्दी से देख लो क्या करना है और बताओ what will be the answer. So I have already explained the question. Okay. So quickly everyone, tell me what will be the answer. So from the question itself you can see it is asking about the total money, how much he is spent, and very simply this is given that two things he is bringing, so definitely we will add the money. So let's add and check it out how much will be the answer. So Mohan brought a toy. So the cost of a toy, the cost of a toy is equal to rupees 65.50. Then the cost of a ball is equal to rupees 22.50. So very simply we can find out the total cost is equal to by adding these two. So 0, 0, 0, 5, 5, 10, 0, 1 carry. So 1 carry, 6 plus 2 is 8. So 8, and then again 6 plus 2 is 8. So rupees 88.00, that means rupees 88 is the total money he spent. So the answer will be, therefore, how much money did he spend, it is asking about. So the money he spent is equal to rupees 88. That's the answer. So this is how very simply addition, problems related to addition or problem related to subtraction or multiplication you can do. Just you have to check it out, is it asking about to find the total, and you have to check that is it I mean repeated addition or simple two things or three things are separate. If the separate amount are given, then definitely we have to add. But if the same amount is given and it is asking for more quantities, then you simply have to just multiply, right? So that's all about question number 5. Let's move to the next questions and next type of questions. Till now, anyone having any doubts? अभी तक का किसी को कुछ doubts है? In any questions related to ME or anywhere? 88. Whose answer is 80? Which one's answer is 88? Okay, fifth one. Okay, let's move to the next question which we have is question number 5. Suppose 5 is done, 6 suppose. 6 which we have is I had how much rupees? 280 rupees. So मेरे पास 280 rupees है, मेरे पास 280 rupees है. I bought books for this much. After then मेरे पास वो 280 rupees थे, उसके बाद हमने क्या किया? बुक्स खरीदा. So I bought books. मैंने बुक्स खरीदा कितना का? For rupees 165.75 means 165 rupees and 75 पैसे का मैंने बुक्स खरीद लिया out of 280. So now it is asking how much money was left with me. So how much money was left with me? So quickly check it out how much money will be left and tell me. This question is slightly different, you can say, or if you understood you can very easily find out, because here 280 rupees there is no any paise, that means 280.00 will be there. So you have to subtract 165.75 from 280.00, right? Because it is this much I am expending, this much I am purchasing books of. So out of 280, if I am expending this much, that means this much become less. So if it is this much less, that means we have to subtract, right? So let me see quickly who can answer this. Okay, 11425, 114 rupees 25. So maximum of the students are answers are giving 114.25. So let us verify this and check it out the answer is correct or not. So very simply, the total money which I had is, the total money I had is equal to rupees 280. So everyone need to do these all things in your classwork copy, right? क्लासवर्क कॉपी में सबको ये सारी चीज बनाते जाना है एक साथ, ऐसा नहीं है कि बाद में बनाएंगे या नहीं बनाएंगे. डेट और टॉपिक्स क्लासवर्क सारी चीज के साथ आपको क्लासवर्क कॉपी में ये सारी चीज लिखने हैं, ये सारी चीज सॉल्व करने हैं, बनाने हैं, ठीक है? तो कोई चीज बाद में नहीं होता है या बाद के लिए कोई भी नहीं डालेंगे, ठीक है? सो सबको ही क्लासवर्क कॉपी निकाल के उसमें लिखेंगे सारे क्वेश्चंस जो भी समझाया जाता है, नॉट ओनली इन मैथमेटिक्स, इन ऑल द सब्जेक्ट्स, राइट? सारे सब्जेक्ट्स में. So here the total money which I had is 280. After then I bought books for, so I bought books for how much rupees? Rupees 165.75. So here I was having 280.00 rupees, right? So the money, how much money was left with me? So here you have to find money left is equal to, just we can find out by subtracting, right? So let us subtract here. So 5, okay, then 2, okay, so 6 plus 4 is 10, 4, okay, so then 7, 1 is 8, so 1, okay, and 1 plus 1 is 2, so 1. Before 2-digit decimal will place, so before 2-digit means here the decimal place will be there. So 114 rupees 25 paise is coming the answer. So the difference is coming 114.25. That means the money will be left with me. Therefore, the money left with me is equal to rupees 114.25. Yes, जिनका भी आंसर 114.25 था, सबका आंसर सही था, सबने करेक्ट आंसर दिया. वेरी नाइस. So this is all about the some of the word problems which we have in this exercise, especially in this chapter. After then, if we are talking about question number 7, a toffee cost 50 paise. So here the cost of a toffee is 50 paise giving. So this you need to understand properly. The 50 paise means how much. If you can do this also in the two way. Either you can convert in rupees and then you can multiply, or simply you can just multiply the paise only, and after then whatever the as much as the paise will come, that much you have to convert into rupees. So it doesn't matter that how you are doing, but however you are comfortable, you can do with that only. So first let us do directly without converting into rupees. So earlier also we have learned two process, right? In addition, subtractions also, that we can do addition and subtractions by converting also and without converting also, right? So here also, this also we can do like that. So as like here 50 paise is the cost of a toffee. So one toffee cost is equal to 50 paise. So I am not converting here, directly I am doing, okay? Anyone having any doubts, you can ask. Rest we will discuss in our next class. बाकी हम लोग अपना नेक्स्ट क्लास में डिस्कस करेंगे. Okay then. Thank you everyone. Be ready for your next period. Bye bye. Have a good time. Take care.